Hey guys, Hashan from Exodius Auto Protection, and here we have this mother-son duo, BMW X7 and a BMW M2. Both of these are brand new vehicles straight from the dealership. On this one, we're going to be doing a full color PPF install, as well as a ceramic coating and window tint. On this one, we're going to be doing a full front end, plus ceramic coating and window tint as well. So they are actually a mom and a son. Both of them brought their vehicles in together because they wanted to get them customized at the same time. And they brought them straight from the dealership over here because they wanted the least amount of rock chips and damage to occur beforehand. But super clean. We're going to be beginning these projects, and we'll make a separate video for this one. We'll make a separate video for this one as well. But I just wanted you guys to kind of see both of them together because they're both going to look really, really good when they're all finished up. So stay tuned. So now we're back, sort of like a starting mid update on the BMW X7 color PPF. If you remember, we had the BMW M2 and the X7 that came at the same time, mom and son duo. And you know, the M2's finished up, that's already left, but now we are working on the X7. So what she was looking for a sleek kind of satin, dark gray, something like that. She said she's always had very neutral colors. She didn't really want black. Black is the easiest color to cover up. That was what I recommended to her before she bought the car, and she ended up going with our recommendation, buying a black car. And as you can see, we're doing pure PPF satin ashen gray, and this thing looks insane. It has a bit of a purple hue inside, but when it goes outside, it's this beautiful satin dark gray color, and it is extremely nice to work with. This film is great. It has a 10-year warranty, so you're not gonna have any issues with the fading and the discoloring like vinyl or cracking or anything like that. And it's gonna protect her stock paint underneath it. So when she goes to sell her vehicle, her full vehicle has been protected with PPF for the last 10 years. So she's gonna get more value out of her vehicle. Her paint's gonna be pristine underneath it. And it's just overall a great, great product to have on your car. We're actually doing this vehicle full dry application. This PPF can be applied either wet with water like traditional PPF, or you can do a dry install almost like a vinyl wrap. Both are gonna yield very similar results. We personally like the dry install more just because we find that the edges, the corners, everything looks nicer, and you're able to go through the vehicle just a little bit faster as you're not waiting to have stuff drying out. Also, with the dry apply, you don't have to go too much into disassembling the vehicle. As you can see on the hood, we only took off the BMW emblem. On the sides, we didn't even have to take off the window trim for this. We're able to tuck underneath it without any of the original colors showing. Only thing that we took off is going to be the badges, the door handles, and a few other small trims here and there just to get nicer results. But it's coming out really, really nice. We're about to trim off this excess, and we're gonna work the rest of the vehicle. You guys will see either one side hole finished up next time you guys come in, or you'll see the full vehicle finished up after this. So stay tuned. Very nice project. Very, very happy with how it's coming out so far. Hey guys, so we're back with the final part on the BMW X7 full color PPF. It is fully finished, fully wrapped up, tinted, fully PPF'd, and we also did the ceramic coating on this as well. I think it came out looking insane. So we also tinted out the reflectors on the side. Some people choose to cut them out. Some people choose to just leave them covered fully with the PPF. They chose to cut them out, but also put a little bit of tint on there. It looks really good. It really mutes it down. As you can see, we even matched the center caps, the blue part on the BMW Rondell, to the rest of the color, and on the front and rear badges as well. The windshield we tinted in a 80% ceramic film, so it is practically clear, providing the most UV protection, IR protection, heat rejection. So you're getting a lot of benefits out of that as well. This is pure PPF satin ashen gray, and it looks really, really good on this car. If you kind of follow me through this side, we kept a lot of the gloss black details on the vehicle the same and just put clear PPF on those just to make them kind of pop against the satin ashen gray. And as you can see, even the door handles done seamlessly, matching the rest of the vehicle. And then if you follow me right over to the back, you'll notice that we blacked out all of their badges. So we replaced the OEM badges with black badges. The OEM ones were a chrome that just kind of dated the car. They're nice, sleek, modern. They kind of bring the updated look into it. I think it came out excellent. It's coated, protected. It's gonna look amazing on the road. And we've been doing a lot of these color PPF projects recently. If you actually follow me back over here, we have this Genesis GV80 currently getting a full PPF removal. You might say this is a pretty similar color to the one that we just did on that one, maybe a little bit lighter. We're gonna be removing all of this, and we're gonna be doing a full satin black color PPF on that one, plus a chrome delete. So we have a ton of color PPF projects going on. We're masters in this wet apply, dry apply. We're great with film, that's our specialty. So if you're looking to get something similar done to any of your vehicles, please give us a call or fill out the form online, and we get your car looking just as good as this one. Stay tuned.